So here you can see it's a Maxima spray for regeneration of performance air filter. So mechanism is pretty simple. Just open the can, shake it pretty well, and then after you have to apply it on a clean surface of your performance air filter. So wait, let me show you how to apply it. Only difference is it is in a blue color, so your performance filters will look like this. It will be blue in color after application. So just repeat this exercise, let it dry for hour and two, and then you are good to go for another 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers. So that's it guys. If you find content useful, then feel free to like, share and subscribe. And this is my third time application with this Maxima spray, and it is having a good quantity also. It is almost 557 ml, so it may last for 1 year or 2 years. So it's a very good value for money solution to regenerate your performance filters.